Good afternoon and welcome to you all. The Hajjit Dar, Lannwarburgh, Kres view we all. On behalf of all the parishioners of the Keverne Parish, we welcome Grand Bard, Kernow, Awen, the Deputy Grand Bard, Melanin, Grand Bards past and present, and Bards from all parts of Kernow. We especially welcome our Celtic cousins from Wales and Brittany, and some from further away, Australia. Good day all. It is a great honour for St Keverne to host this prestigious event, as Gorsedh Kernow is the torchbearer, protector and promoter of the Celtic spirit of Cornwall. So important is this ever-changing world, and with all the challenges that Cornwall faces today. In St Keverne, we are very proud of our long and often rebellious history. Being an isolated parish, we were one of the last areas of Cornwall where Cornish was spoken as a first language. Until modern times, of course, when the Gorsedh and other language organisations are once again keeping our ancient language alive. When people tell me that Cornish language is dead and that no one appears to speak it anymore, I tell them they speak Cornish every day. It is all around us, in our names and place names. We must do all we can to keep it. Let us make Nelson Mandela's quote true of our language today. If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his own language, that goes to his heart. We have taken you to our hearts today. Dinner.